So guys, Jamin this guy's here, and this video is gonna be
Previously on Jamin in Disguise.
Yeah, well, I have to get the shit scared out of both of us.
He's gonna kill me!
Yeah, we got Starbucks. Anyway guys, well, this interesting shit happened.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, 1st of January, the council hadn't gritted the road, so I had a nice spin.
This sad music that's playing is really wonderful.
Yeah, that's...
Puts the dash cam footage of him crashing.
Pushing a picture of the car looking sad and depressing.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever.
So anyway, this video's like fucking taking the piss. We're just like bambling on about shite.
So he's had a wonderful accident. Bent his car in half.
It's not in half, it's just missing its nose.
And rear end.
And bit of it.
And headlight.
It's like someone's just
he's crashed perfectly.
Oh,
all
that was
four
bad.
corners of his car hit.
Despite the fact that many people are probably looking at it going, "That's a shitty Clio." Yeah, I know. I won't. My car. I'm fixing it. But the current. This is how the video is probably going to end up going. We're already having problems trying to pick it up. I've got it back.
We've got rims.
I've got the car back. It's officially mine again because the police got hold of it because I couldn't get my recovery in time. Originally, we were going to have someone pick up with a trailer, but the person that has the car with the tow bar has failed us, unfortunately. So we've got another method. Gonna tow it with. Yeah.
So we somehow got to go and fix this car.
Yep.
The two front wheels are
Really
fucked.
nice police, you fucking joggers as well.
I know. But you're already dirty.
I didn't make you bend down.
Just charging for them.
Council, you paid for this.
Why?
Because you're the reason that I ended up doing this.
I ruined a perfectly good pair of trousers down on my car that I've crashed.
Now we just need two wheels for the front because they're destroyed. So we can flat tow it. So we managed to find a set of Clio alloys, all four with tyres, for about 100 quid.
But yeah, we're going to make a wonderful video, aren't we?
Yeah, it's going to be interesting.
And we're going to upgrade and pimp his ride.
Yeah, I'm going to turn it into a 182 Clio. Look at the cones! I put them there! You bastard! You're annoying! If you want to come and have a look for bits of Clio, there's bits of Clio. There's bits of Clio all the way down the hillside on that side. Yeah, gonna need new front bumper, new bonnet, new driver's side wing. Passenger side wing's alright.
Rear drivers as well.
Huh?
Your rear quarter panel, front quarter.
Yeah, gonna need new rear bumper, new rear lights, new driver's side light. Probably new trap rod ends and shit like that. Anyway.
I don't actually think the mate.
Yeah, I do.
Rambled on enough. We're gonna get some stuff to get the car towed, pick up some wheels, and we'll probably come back at some point later. Oh, we're here. It's a bit sad. So we're gonna try and jump start it right now, but we need to figure out how to get the plastics off on Harry's car to get to the battery. Have you got it? Yeah. Alright, okay. Well, here we go.
Is that next car?
Yep. I'm supposed to connect negative first.
Fine.
Yeah, you might want to start the car because that's a dead battery.
Yeah, so.
Don't want to kill yours at the same time. Yep. You'll be fine. Is it connected properly? So this, that's this ground point.
That's negative, that's positive. And then you'll have to flat. What a
Well, we're moving. I don't think technically I can get done for driving here.
Tomorrow.
So, guys, how's it going?
Oh, last night was interesting.
Yes, it was very interesting watching you squeal your way through Bolton. So, what's today's plan?
So today we've got some nice new shiny parts already.
Ooh, shiny.
Insurance know about this, and I told them I'm doing the repair, so
That's good.
yeah, now we've got the shiny bits. I think that is side. I'm not sure.
Well, it should have an L and an R on.
We've got left hand and right hand respawns. Right one needs doing anyway, so I figured might as well do the left one as well.
How's the brakes?
Plus it also helps with replacing the brakes are fine.
So why didn't you stop in time then?
You try stop on ice.
He did.
Oh no, something funny though.
Go on.
Left hand side one, guess how much that was?
Ooh, 100 quid?
20 quid.
That's not bad.
I don't know how much the right one was. The one that I needed.
300 quid.
40 quid.
Why is the big difference?
Don't know.
Because people are idiots and crash the left hand.
People that crash on the driver's
So,
side.
let's just do a little round tour, shall we? You've now got an event.
Oh yeah, that's to increase airflow
Yeah.
for the cooling of the engine.
You've also got a nice new...
Farmer.
Behind you. Got a nice new looking front end.
Oh yeah. Personalised.
Oh, very personalised this one. Now on the bendy side though, I must admit.
Oh, this bit straight. That bit straight.
Yeah, until you get to where your hands are.
No, not straight, look straight.
Yeah, straight to a point.
It's alright, the fence just decided it wants to leave its mark.
And notice anything missing? Come down to this side, not too bad, not too bad. Further down the wonderful car, and we come to the rear end, where he's got no light system here. And yeah, let's just say the rear bumper, not the best. Then we come across the number plate. I'll do a spin move so he doesn't have to blur it. Got a couple of dents. These are me. That one, more me. Yeah, that's definitely me. I did that. Broke this again. All broken. Huge dent. Huge dent. Big stuff there. Another huge dent. Dent here. Another fucking dent here. Stuffs. More stuffers. Yeah, that's the round tour. Let's go over to the mechanic over here for his verdict on the car.
It's fucked.
It's motherfucking fucked, is it? So, what are we doing here? Ooh, fucking hell, that. It is really fucked over here, isn't it?
Yep. So this is supposed to be straight.
Right.
If you actually look at the new ones, that shouldn't be like that.
Well, when the idiot comes back with your bar, we'll get him to show us the difference.
Oh, you got the big boys.
Yeah. Any headphone users, please turn your volume down right now. That is mine. So, can you please show us the new wish one so we can see the comparison? Preferably outside the packet. As we're trying to make this entertaining and more factual than any of your videos have ever been. Your biggest video
That's
is...
not going to work then, because you're in it.
Shut up, you lazy twat.
I'm the one fucking doing the work. Yeah, he is.
So, quickly have a look at this.
I think this one's a bit more of a beefier one though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
So that's the comparison.
the thing is, the ball joints are already integrated.
Which is perfect for you.
Because that bolt joint's already been replaced.
So let's say straight. This is going to handle a lot better than the other one then.
Probably, but it's got the fresh buttons in.
We are pimping his ride, boys. Pimp his ride.
Nice new.
It's got some nice new alloys over there. How much did they cost you again?
100 quid for the lot.
100 quid plus tread. That you can't get better than that, can you? Cha-ching! Price indicator at the side of your screen. We are the wheeler dealers now.
We need price at car.
Price of car, tyres, then you got your wishbones included. Labour costs.
Yeah, beers.
10 crates of bits.
Yeah, fish for him.
My labour cost of a very small, handsome fee of being the cameraman, the dumbass.
Slowly moving.
Is it slowly moving? Let's have a look down here then. Let's have a look down. Is it slowly moving? Don't bite your fingers.
Yeah.
Nice slow mo shot that.
Just in case. Because you know how to use.
I've got my phone in my pocket.
Yeah, but I'll be charging my phone in the car, so.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me, and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps, and I'm the only one, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's the only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that speaks.
So, we're back from slow-mo time on a different phone this time. In super wide angle. Unlike someone else's phone.
New super wide angle.
On photographs, yeah. Anyway, so what are you doing up here?
Take off the remains of the wing.
Ratchet spanner, what size? What? This is why you can't have children, people. What size was that again? I'll be 11 now with me. It fucking is as well. That's the babysitting dog. So as a cameraman, I've got to watch that dog as well.
Yeah, that's your job.
Well, these two work. This is what the DSLR with the tripod will come in handy, but having to rush out my house causes this issue.
Well, at this rate, we could rival Savage Rebuild UK.
How's the NGT spark plug in on your app there?
Very well.
Would you recommend them?
The only ones I would use. Got an GK in here.
Have you? So, you know what? I've got NGK as well. It's weird, that, isn't it?
Thing is,
It's like the only ones we can get our hands on.
thing is, it's like, oh, get some spark plugs for it. Got some Bosch outputs.
How much memory do you have, Harry? With clarification.
Yeah.
Well, just for clarify.
Big boy!
Yeah, he's got the big fat phone. This records in 4K, isn't it?
Yeah, but that will only last.
Yeah, I'm just make sure you've not got it in 4K. Right, that 2-minute video was shot in 4K. You won't know it's in 4K because he's going to downgrade it.
Yeah, I am not rendering that in 4K.
Oh, as I go into super wide angle shot. As I find a fucking box of grease.
Leave my copper grease alone.
I've just moved it. So I can kneel down into an engine bay with a filter. And watch this idiot do this.
I'm actually having trouble getting this.
Is it a WD-40 job? And say fuck you mode? That's a nice piece of plastic, that.
Yeah, there you go, keep it in there.
Oh, it's not a souvenir. This is what I'm going to do with it. Oh! I saved the phone. Oh, he's just attacked me again. Ow!
It's funny, but I know it feels because I did that to Simon it's over.
That's me good leg as well.
Once you got back. Yeah, once.
Yeah, that big crunch in my knee now. Ow! Have you had an accident at work? Phone the accident helpline.
National Accident Helpline.
Right, I need someone to turn the wheel.
He's closer.
No.
He's using brute force. Where is it? Where's the mutt? We've lost the mutt again.
One fucking job, man.
I saw it a minute ago. Turn me fucking back. He goes again. Whilst we find the dog, we'll start recording. What we're pimping today, boys?
Same fucking thing.
Really? I won't walk into that this time.
What did you walk into?
Ha! There weren't any giving that.
Really?
No, there was. The car. So I just watched the car move.
So you're undoing your plastics, as far as I can see it, isn't it?
What's that mean?
Jesus! Oh, that's nice down there, isn't it? So as we come down to the green machine over here, who's at this rate would have banged into me and put his phone into my mouth.
Use those non-existent things. I'm pretty sure I copper grease these when we change the pads and everything.
Yeah, you haven't had it in anywhere, have you?
I've got you to get fucking WD lights there.
Well, you only order it.
Yeah, but it's Simon's and...
You don't have your own supply.
Who the fuck? I don't think I'm Simon's.
Mate, that's why he robs all mine.
Your door pocket. Door pocket.
It's not there. Who knew he's probably in the back? Found it.
That's it.
Ow! I hit my head on your window. Ow!
Mimer anyway.
To find where he needs to look. So, paddle is off. Ah, that'll just buff out that.
Oh, yeah.
Let's just have a closer. That does in the right there. Okay, that does there. Yeah, that'll just buff out that, I reckon.
Thing is, this bit, drill this bit off, and then a bit of that, and spot weld it back on.
I see the ginger doing that one.
1 inch is fine.
Oh, he's got the caliper off. It's a nice dirty coat. It's a nice dirty coat.
I'm fucking on the floor next to a fucking car crash yard.
Why did you do that?
Put my drive shaft back in.
Oh, what was your mechanic doing?
I'm sat in the car. Nice and warm.
He's a smart one when he needs to be, isn't he?
Right, so we've got everything off now. The wing's off, inner wing.
That's 16.
And now we're trying to get the wishbone off, because that's the bit that needs working, because as you can see here, that's a bit bent. That's not supposed to be like that.
bent?
Yeah, just a bit.
Oh, tiny little bit.
That bit, the subframe's bent as well, but that's not really structural, it's just being a pain in the arse of getting away.
Right, can we start putting some facts into this now?
You ask the stupid questions.
So, what's this big piece of metal here?
What, the one that Brandon's pointing at right at the back?
Yeah.
That's your power steering.
track rod.
So that's the power steering,
Track rod end and the inner track rod. It's basically attached to your steering rack.
right?
That's what turns your wheels.
Take it, that's
That's the drive shaft that sends power from the gearbox to the wheels.
your front wheel drive, correct?
Yeah. I better say, why is that bolt cleaner than that one? I know why.
Because he's an idiot and did something.
Did I ever tell you that I had a clunking noise in the car?
No.
Well, every time I went over a bump, I had a thunk, bunk, bunk. I thought the suspension was going. Thought, fuck it, let's have a look. That bolt was gone, and that one was on its way out.
Another dumb question.
What?
You've got ABS, right?
Yep.
So this is your ABS light.
Yeah.
We're gonna pimp your ride, boy. With your money.
Let's get it roadworthy first, right? Resorting to major methods like brute force.
Oh, yeah. Well, when he says brute force, it actually means
All safety protections and precautions are being taken at the minute. We're through. Right, for those people wondering why we've done that, it's because the sway bar needs to come over there and it's stuck. It's probably bent anyway, so we'll be getting a new one. But now we can get this wishbone out. There we go. Let's have a look at that. You see it's definitely bent at the end. So that's that one. Same shape. Same distance. Looks like that's obviously where the pointing off in a random direction here. That's where you put it. Sway bar would go, but obviously due to the fact.
Once we've done this, it's going to be the end of the video because then I have to get the car back so I can move my car.
Yeah, due to the fact we've got limited sunlight. I think our biggest obstacle here is going to be this bit here. Into this bit. Because us personally don't really have that much experience in panel beating. Wishbone here. Nice new shiny one. Fucking 40 quid for that bastard. Right, we're gonna find
one.
Well, there's one. We're gonna find the bolts because there's another one somewhere. It's got the nuts on. Be back in a minute. Well, it went a bit dark, so we're calling it quits for tonight.
Went a bit dark.
Went a bit dark, so we've pushed it back to where she's staying for the time being. So we've done done the wishbone. Tracking's a bit more better than it was before, but still needs doing. Obviously, something's gotten bent on the tractor end.
Yeah.
Considering the this is the driver's wheel. Yeah, this is the driver's wheel. It's a bit. Yeah. That side don't look too bad. But that's a bit fucked. Surprisingly, despite the fact that both the front tyres were fucking destroyed, the passenger wheel there is alright. The tyre's just gone. So you could still use that rim. And that one's still good. So I've got 2 good rims, 2 good tyres. One tyre needs to go from one rim to the other. But yeah, that's what we've done so far. Nice shiny bits. Need to get a new anti-roll bar for it as well. So next episode will probably be pissing about trying to get the gearbox sorted, because something's moved and it's stuck in reverse. So the car does move, it goes backwards and only backwards while the shifter's in neutral. But there you go. Anyhow, end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh bollocks, I don't put that on. But yeah, anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this video, go ahead and like, stay tuned for the next one, and yeah.